I'm here to talk about creating a database in Access 2013. Pretty much the same as earlier versions. I opened it. They have a lot of templates you can use. You're doing a blank one. You click on the blank. You're going to give it a name. My database. And you're going to have to browse to put it in the correct folder, or if you want to put it in documents, that's fine. So you could browse, then you could put it in a folder called Access, like I could say new folder, Access 2000 databases. Now you click on Create. It does it a couple of ways. You've got the table when you do it this way. The best way to do the table is to work in the design view. So you could right click in here, go to the design view. You have to save it first. You could call it members, whatever it's called. You're in here. Up there is an ID. We're going to talk about that in a second. You give it the field names. You can't use certain things there. You can't call it name. First name. Short text. You could have last name. Date hired. You have the choices here. Used to be a little different. They had memo, short text, long text, and you could put in the date, currency. I'll say date hired, date time, and then you could say salary. That would be currency. Hit the letter C. Social Security number. And that would be a text field. What you can do, you can make it with the dashes and stuff. You go down here into input mask, click on the three dots. You got to save it. Social Security number. The easy way is just click on finish, and you can make it a lot shorter. You can make it like 12 characters. You don't want to make it really big. And what you want to do, primary keys are very important. This little thing here means it's an auto number over here. The ID, it does this automatically. I'm going to delete this. You're deleting a primary key. You don't need a primary key in Access, but it's very critical. You want to make it a primary key. You click on the key, and let's say you want to move a row up or down like Excel. Just click in there, highlight it, pull it up, and then you could just do like address. Again, short text, that's the default. City, state, zip. And these are comments, okay? This does not have to be filled. You could say, the day she joined the company after probation. Spell it right. You're doing the data entry. Say yes, you got to save it. You just type it in, use the tab key. You got a little calendar here. Watch this. If it was this year, you just type in 11/12. It's going to put the 2014. And you cannot have anything blank. I'm just typing, just doing this here. You've got to put something in a social security number field because it's primary, And if I don't type it in there, I don't have it, hit the escape key. This is the beginnings of setting up a database.